Kale, the good, the bad, and the misunderstood side effects. Kale, a leafy green vegetable, has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its numerous health benefits. It is packed with essential vitamins and minerals and is considered one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. However, like any other food, kale also has its downsides. So let's explore the good, the bad, and the misunderstood side effects of consuming kale. First and foremost, kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy immune system, strong bones, and a well-functioning metabolism. Additionally, kale is rich in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Moreover, kale is often referred to as a weight loss-friendly food. With its high fiber content and low calorie count, it can aid in weight management. The fiber in kale helps promote feelings of fullness and prevents overeating. Furthermore, kale contains compounds that can aid in digestion, supporting a healthy gut and preventing digestive disorders such as constipation. On the flip side, kale does have some disadvantages. One major concern is its high oxalate content. Oxalates can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. However, for most people, consuming kale in moderation does not pose a significant risk. Cooking kale can also help reduce its oxalate levels, making it a safer choice for those concerned about kidney stone formation. Another potential downside lies in the goitrogenic compounds present in kale. These compounds can interfere with thyroid function in large amounts, particularly in people with an iodine deficiency. However, cooking kale and consuming it alongside iodine-rich foods can mitigate this effect. Additionally, some individuals may experience digestive issues after consuming kale. This is mainly due to its high fiber content, which may cause bloating, gas, or an upset stomach in some people. Gradually increasing consumption and ensuring adequate hydration can help alleviate these symptoms. Lastly, the misunderstood side effects of consuming kale relate to its vitamin K content. Kale is exceptionally high in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting. Consequently, individuals taking blood-thinning medication may need to monitor their intake of vitamin K-rich foods, including kale. In conclusion, kale offers a wide range of health benefits, including its nutritional content, potential weight management properties, and disease-fighting antioxidants. However, it is essential to be aware of its downsides and potential side effects. The oxalate content, goitrogenic compounds, and high fiber levels in kale may pose concerns for some individuals. Understanding these factors and consuming kale in moderation, along with a balanced diet, can help maximize its benefits while minimizing any negative effects. I hope this information on kale, the good, the bad, and the misunderstood side effects was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on being vegan, vegan diets, vegan recipes, plant-based smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.